Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. So can I tell you, this acrylic pour on acrylic tumbler, this is no kidding the fourth time I'm videoing this, because every single time apparently I did not push play on the video. So I do that all the time. A cameraman, I am not. So anyways, I just wanted to share this one with you. I am really loving these acrylic tumblers for the summertime. Look how gorgeous this came out. This is so pretty. I know these colors are a little dark for summer, but I really wanted this like diamond color, and for this you have to put it over a dark color, preferably black, for it to come out right. And I really wanted that on there. I think it looks so pretty. So I did an acrylic pour on an acrylic tumbler, and then on this, it's such a small amount of epoxy. Like, this cup is still super light. Now, with the total is maybe 5 cc's, because it took about 2.5 to 3 cc's for, each time. So with the acrylic pour, I could have left it at that, and I do have video of just the acrylic pour with epoxy over it, so you can see how that looks. But I also wanted glitter, so I went in and put some glitter in epoxy and added it to it, and that is about 2.5 cc's maybe of that. So I'm just really digging these acrylic tumblers. I think that they're so nice for the summertime and coming out super cute. So right now I have one going that is for a friend, and it is the glitter is applied on the tumbler with epoxy, and it's a nice iridescent tumbler with iridescent white chunky glitter. It's going to be so pretty. Now that one's going to have some other stuff on it for her, so it'll be a couple layers. But then I'm also going to do one. I have a colorful acrylic tumbler, and I'm going to do it and just put glitter inside a little bit of epoxy, so you can see how that looks. I'm expecting that to probably come out looking like there's probably not even any epoxy on it. I think it's probably going to be super gorgeous. So I'm looking forward to that. And then I have another one that I'm doing that I don't want to give it away because it's going to be super fun also. But listen, I hope that you really, I hope that you enjoy this. I'm really liking them a lot. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll show you how it looks inside, because it's a clear tumbler, and that's actually kind of cool looking too. All right, so listen, you guys have a blessed and beautiful rest of the day, and I'll see you later. Bye, friends. Humid out that my glasses are so foggy. So, okay, I wanted you to be able to see this in the sunlight. Now, I don't know if you can see. So, do you see? So that sparkly overlay paint, it already gave it a bit of a sparkle in there. And this is really, really pretty. So this is how it looks if you don't do anything else. Okay, so I just wanted you to be able to see, like, you could stop here, and this is just one coat of epoxy, and you can see, I mean, it looks really pretty. Again, it looks like this is just made into the cup. It doesn't look like an epoxy cup. It is so pretty. I'm really loving these acrylic tumblers with the straw for the summertime. But I was thinking that I wanted to put just a hair more sparkle to it. So I'm going to do another super thin coat of epoxy on it with just a little glitter in it. All right, let's go. Hey friends. All right, so you can see I'm out here doing some painting. I got quite a mess going on, but I'm going to do a pour on the this acrylic tumbler. So that's black. This one is this dragonfly glaze, but it's got to go over top of a black. So we're going to see how it looks. And then this one is just a pink. This one is a red metals. And then that is just from my leftover from my last cup. So sorry, it wasn't really worth cleaning this up to do it again. So, all right, so on this one, I'm gonna just start, you know, I do them a lot of times a dirty pour where I pour them. Oh, I had a clump there. It's all right. Where I pour them all together, but this one I'm gonna just kind of do them separate like this. My pouring medium I was using is from Dollar Tree. There that I don't like. So pretty. So should I maybe try to do it without blending the colors prior to putting them on. When you're doing stuff like this, these solo cups are fabulous because you see it gives you a little handle to get a hold of it. So I wanted to see how this would do on an acrylic tumbler. The pour is beautiful. So I'm going to let that dry and then we'll put some epoxy on it and we'll see how it does. Alright, so I have my epoxy mixed and it's just a tiny, tiny bit. This is only one pump of each. As you can see, it's just a tiny, tiny bit. Now I'm going to use this glitter. This is just a glitter where I mixed some yellow, a little bit of pink, and a little bit of blue together. I'm just going to mix it in my glitter. And again, I just want a light little color over it, and I just thought that this would be a nice, just light little color to go over it.